Good morning, Andrew. Did you sleep well?
Very well. Yesterday was such a relaxing day. I think all that walking helped me sleep.
I feel the same. Are you ready for another adventure?
Absolutely. What's the plan today?
Today we're going shopping for souvenirs.
Great. I've been waiting for this. My family keeps sending me messages asking, "Did you buy us anything yet?"
Then we'd better not go home empty-handed.
What kind of souvenirs should we buy?
Something local. Something people can't easily find back home.
Good idea. Maybe some handmade gifts or local snacks.
I also want to buy a few postcards. I still enjoy sending postcards to my friends.
That's nice. People don't send postcards very often anymore. Receiving one must feel special.
Exactly. It's a simple way to share your journey.
Should we have breakfast first?
We already had breakfast at the hotel. Remember?
Oh, that's right. I was already thinking about lunch.
You're always thinking about food.
Can you blame me? Traveling makes me hungry.
According to the hotel receptionist, there's a famous souvenir market about 10 minutes away.
Can we walk there?
Of course. The weather is beautiful today.
Perfect. I enjoy seeing the city on foot. You always notice little things when you walk.
I agree. Walking lets us discover places we might miss in a taxi.
Look at that street musician. He's playing such a beautiful song.
And look at all the people stopping to listen. Music brings people together.
Travel does the same. People from different countries, different languages, all sharing the same street.
That's one of my favorite things about traveling.
I think we're getting close. I can see colorful umbrellas ahead.
Yes. And I can hear people talking and laughing. It must be the market.
Wow, there are so many little shops. I don't even know where to start.
Let's take our time. We'll walk through the market first. Then we can decide what to buy.
Good idea. Otherwise, I might spend all my money in the first shop.
Let's see what treasures we can find. This market is wonderful. Every shop has something different.
I don't know where to look first. There are so many colorful things.
Let's start with this little shop. It looks interesting.
I like the wooden sign. It says, "Handmade gifts."
Perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for.
Good morning. Welcome. Please take your time. Good morning. Thank you.
Your shop is beautiful.
Thank you very much. Most of these items are handmade by local artists. Really, that's amazing. Each piece is a little different. That's what makes them special. Look at these small keychains.
They're very cute. I think children would love them.
My nephew collects keychains. He has one from every country I've visited.
Then you should definitely get one for him.
I think I will. Excuse me. How much is this keychain? It's $8. That's reasonable.
It's handmade. I think it's worth the price.
Thank you. We try to keep our prices fair. What about these magnets? Those are $5 each. If you buy 3, you'll get 1 free. That's a good deal.
Who would you give them to?
One for my parents, one for my sister, one for my office, and maybe one for myself.
Then the special offer is perfect for you.
These postcards are beautiful too.
I love the watercolor paintings.
Those are painted by a local artist. Every postcard shows a famous place in the city. I recognize the botanical garden. We were there yesterday.
And here's the old train station. Maybe I'll buy this one.
Many visitors like that design. It's one of our best sellers. I'm trying not to buy everything.
Remember, we've only visited one shop.
You're right. If I spend all my money now, I'll just be window shopping for the rest of the day.
That's why we're taking our time. Let's look around before we decide.
Of course. Feel free to ask if you have any questions. Thank you. Everyone has been so friendly.
That's one of the reasons I enjoy traveling. You always meet kind people.
Let's keep exploring. I have a feeling we're going to find something really special. There's another shelf over here. Let's have a look.
I see some handmade mugs. They're beautiful.
Each one has a different design. I like that blue one.
The blue one reminds me of the lake we visited yesterday.
You're right. And this green one reminds me of the botanical garden.
Both are lovely. Who are you buying it for?
My mother. She collects mugs from different places. Every morning she drinks tea in a different one.
Then this will be a meaningful gift.
I just can't decide which design she'd like more.
Let's ask. The shop owner might have a recommendation.
Excuse me, could you help us? Of course. What can I help you with? I'm choosing a gift for my mother. Which mug is more popular? The blue one or the green one? Both are popular, but the blue design is our best seller. Many visitors choose it because it represents the river and the sky.
That's a beautiful idea.
I think my mother would like that. Is it microwave safe? Yes, it's microwave safe. And it's dishwasher safe too. That's perfect. She'll use it every day.
A useful gift is often the best gift.
How much is this mug? It's $22. That's a little more expensive than I expected.
Remember, it's handmade.
Each mug is painted by hand. No two are exactly the same. That makes it even more special. I'll take it. Excellent choice. I'll wrap it carefully for you.
While she's wrapping the mug, look at these scarves. They're very soft.
They come in so many colors. Red, blue, purple, yellow.
I think my grandmother would love the purple one. Purple has always been her favorite color.
Then you've already made your decision.
I think so. It's warm, elegant, and easy to pack. That's important when you're traveling.
Here's your mug. I've wrapped it with extra paper to keep it safe. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. You're welcome. I hope your mother enjoys it. I'm sure she will. Every time she uses it, she'll remember this trip.
That's what makes souvenirs so special. They're more than just things. They remind us of wonderful memories.
Let's keep looking. I still have a few more people to shop for.
We've found gifts for your mother and my grandmother. Who's next?
My father. He's always difficult to shop for.
Why is that?
Whenever I ask him what he wants, he always says, I don't need anything.
I know a lot of people like that. Maybe we just need to find something practical.
That's a good idea. Let's see what's in this shop. Hello. Welcome. Please have a look around.
Thank you.
This shop looks very different. Yes, we specialize in handmade leather goods. Everything is made by local craftsmen. These wallets look very nice.
They're simple and elegant. I think your father would like them.
Excuse me, could you recommend one? Certainly. This brown wallet is our most popular model. It's made from genuine leather. It feels very soft. It becomes even softer over time. Many customers use it for years.
That sounds like excellent quality.
Do you have it in black? Yes. Here you are. I think I prefer the black one.
Your father usually wears dark colors. This one matches his style.
You're right. I think he'd use this every day. How much is this wallet? It's $48. That's within my budget.
It's something he'll keep for a long time.
We also include a gift box at no extra charge. That's very nice. Thank you.
Look at these leather bookmarks. They're beautiful.
My sister loves reading. This could be another nice gift. Those are very popular with book lovers. Each bookmark has a different pattern. I'll take one of those too. Excellent choice. I'll put everything together for you. I think I'm almost finished shopping.
You've done well. You chose thoughtful gifts.
I learned something today. Buying souvenirs isn't about spending a lot of money. It's about choosing something meaningful.
I couldn't agree more. A thoughtful gift often becomes the most memorable one.
Let's see one more shop before we pay for everything. I have a feeling today's shopping adventure isn't over yet.
I think we've covered almost every corner of the market.
Almost. But I smell something delicious.
I was just about to say the same thing. The smell is coming from that stall.
Let's have a look. Hello. Welcome. Would you like to try some local snacks? Yes, please. Everything looks delicious.
There are so many choices. What do you recommend?
These butter cookies are our best seller. They're made fresh every morning. And these fruit candies are very popular with visitors. May I try one? Of course. Please help yourself. Thank you. They're crispy on the outside and soft inside. They're really good.
May I try one too?
Certainly.
They're not too sweet. I like them.
How much is one box? One box is $12. If you buy 2 boxes, the third box is half price. That's a nice offer.
I think your family would enjoy these.
I think so too. I'll take 3 boxes.
What are these little jars?
They're local honey. It's collected from the flowers in the nearby hills.
That sounds wonderful.
Do many tourists buy it? Yes. It's one of our most popular gifts.
I'll take 1 jar. My grandfather loves honey with his morning tea.
We've bought quite a lot today.
Yes. Let's make sure we still have room in our luggage.
Good point. I don't want to sit on my suitcase just to close it.
That has happened to me before.
Really?
More than once. I always think, I'll only buy 1 more thing. Then somehow I leave with 5 more.
Travel shopping is dangerous. There's always something interesting to buy. Here are your cookies, your honey, and your receipt. Thank you very much. Thank you. Everything looks wonderful.
We appreciate your recommendations.
You're very welcome. I hope your family enjoys the gifts. I'm sure they will. Every souvenir tells a story.
And today we've collected quite a few stories.
Let's find a place to sit for a few minutes. I'd like to look through everything we bought before we head back.
Let's sit down for a moment. We've been walking for hours.
I didn't realize how much shopping could make me tired.
Shopping is good exercise, especially in a big market like this.
Let's see what we bought. I almost forgot everything.
You bought a handmade mug for your mother, a leather wallet for your father, a bookmark for your sister, 3 boxes of cookies, and some magnets.
When you say it like that, it sounds like I bought half the market.
Not quite. There are still plenty of shops left.
Please don't give me any more ideas.
I bought a scarf for my grandmother, some postcards, a jar of local honey, and a few small gifts for my friends.
I think everyone will be happy.
I hope so. Giving someone a gift is always a nice feeling.
I think we're ready to pay.
Let's go to the cashier.
Good afternoon. Did you find everything you were looking for? Yes, we did. Thank you. Wonderful. I'll ring these up for you.
Thank you.
Your total comes to $96. Can I pay by card? Certainly. Please insert your card. Done. Please enter your PIN. All right. Payment approved. Thank you very much. Would you like a receipt? Yes, please. Here you are. And here are your shopping bags. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.
That was easy.
It usually is. Once you know a few useful expressions, shopping becomes much less stressful.
Today I learned how to ask about prices, choose gifts, and pay at the cashier.
Exactly. And you did everything in English.
I'm starting to feel much more confident. Every day I can understand a little more.
That's how learning works. Small conversations. One step at a time.
Where should we go next?
Let's head back to the hotel. Tomorrow we'll take a taxi across the city. That will be another chance to practice English.
I'm looking forward to it. Let's go.
That was a wonderful afternoon.
It really was. I didn't expect shopping to be so much fun.
I think we chose some thoughtful gifts.
And we stayed within our budget. That's always a good feeling.
The hotel isn't far from here. Would you like to walk back?
Yes. After all that shopping, a short walk sounds nice.
The afternoon sun is beautiful. The streets feel much quieter now.
And look at all the cafes. People are relaxing after work. Some are reading books. Others are talking with friends.
Every city has its own rhythm. I enjoy watching everyday life.
I think today's shopping helped my English.
What expressions do you remember?
Let's see. How much is this?
Very good.
I'll take it.
Excellent.
Can I pay by card?
Perfect. Those are 3 expressions you'll use again and again while traveling.
You know, at the beginning of this trip, I was nervous about speaking English.
And now?
Now I look forward to practicing. Every conversation teaches me something new.
That's the best way to learn. Real conversations. Real situations. One step at a time.
There's our hotel. We made it back just before sunset.
Perfect timing. Let's put our shopping bags in the room.
Then maybe we can have dinner nearby.
That sounds like a great idea. Tomorrow will be another busy day.
What's our plan for tomorrow?
Tomorrow we'll visit another part of the city. We'll take a taxi instead of walking.
That means I'll have to speak with the driver.
You will. But don't worry. You'll learn useful expressions like, could you take us to? How long will it take? And, could you stop here, please?
I'm looking forward to it. Every day brings a new adventure.
Before we finish, let's remember today's lesson. Shopping isn't only about buying things. It's also about meeting people, learning new words, and creating happy memories.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you practice speaking along with us.
Keep listening. Keep practicing. And most importantly, keep enjoying your English journey.
We'll see you in episode 14, where we'll learn English while taking a taxi across the city. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.